kuramutya bona abanyakuriya Tayari TV kwa bagambire amabara mbanyita Businge Emmanuel ni nkoranka deputy resident city commissioner of Fort Portal Central Division. Yes.
Owaitu afande leka tugendera tutasisira bwire nturora mukaikara meeting eyanyu ya task force nge ya urubugo rwa Fort Portal mwagera guidelines ezimwizero nazo muri ezo guidelines haizamo guideline yogamba abantu ekire chaizo batagenda mu maramizo gabo kusaba no kujaguza ekire cyabajulezi ekintu ekyo kikaiza kitakwa tubayina some other areas nazo zibagamba ziri mu high risk areas bishavingirege kusaba kwizo
abantu kibene kumanya ngo buli district rundi buli city egira task force in situations in case turimu case Ebola. So ihango buli arangirire ngo tuine ekirwere ki Ebola itwenka task force ya city Ebola tukatandika kugira weekly meetings ezo kurangu turejaga hamwe nkaba stakeholders kuhanura no kurora ku evaluating a situation eturimu nka Fort Portal city. Fort Portal was listed among the high risk districts and entities the local government abokubangu tuli hingana na district ezinyakuli borderline ya Democratic Republic of Congo. So nabweki tukatwine bujunanziwa kurangu twateka mu nkora guidelines lundi directives as a Ministry of Health. So ekinike tugiye mu maiso no gukora akatwine ibintu ebitari bimu na bimu ebitutaire mu nkora cyo kubanza tukatandika no kusomesa abantu lundi sensitization tuine timu enyagenda amaradio buli kiro kurango abantu basobora kumanya nibiha bikufa akirwere ki Ebola. Then tuine implementation and compliance kurango abantu bateka mu nkora uko umuntu asakuba amanyire cyogenda maiso bitu atamanyire kuteka mu nkora ibintu byasomera gukora. So hano twekambisa abantu kurango bateka mu nkora the SOPs amasomero amaramizo obutare bwine kugira ngo bayine hand washing facilities then tubaterera bateke bagure temperature guns nuko umuntu aratakatayiri mu isomero rundi mu maramizo basobore kumupima kumanya temperature zirizita. Ikikaguze kyunkagwize kyogamba ngo abakitwemerize okusaba first of all tutemerize kusaba abako abantu bakasaba ikintu kitwemerize ni kyogamba ngo abantu bona bagenda mu kicweka kimu rundi mu iramizo kusabira hamwe kintu kikora bokuba one tukimanyire ngo ekiro kya Mother's Day kisikiriza muno abantu bayingi. So tuketantara muno abantu bayingi muno kuija hamwe kicweka kimu akwa we could not be sure abantu bandi barugire mu districts ezindi rundiki. So twachwa mutemereza okusaba kwa abantu bona kuija mu kicweka kimu no basabira. Ni ntwaro mugisa guno kusima abembezi ba madini kila muntu ba bishops the Anglican bishop no wa Catholic church na abembezi aba denominations ezindi nkabarokole uko bakarenga ukitegereza ngo okulinda abantu kwetantara ikirere ki Ebola it is very important. So tukakorana hamwe na abembezi ba madini kandi bayikiriza kurango abantu tibagera mu bicweke ebyamaramizo oiro basabira handi. Abembezi abamu bakasabisa bakaija radio barenga kutwara maiso misa rundi services ezibakuba mbakora mu maramizo. Otherwise that was the decision kandi yitwe nka task force nikitwarozere ngo nkija kuyamba abantu baitu okwetantara ikirwere ki Ebola.
Waitu afande kyo nakitegereza but then mwino ho kugamba ekiro kya Mother's Day batajja mu maramizo ago kuzaguza rundo kusaba runo kusoma baitu other Sundays rundu bano abakusara cyakatana abanywana baitu abasiramu kubo nkabo guidelines ziki ezimbaterero nabo nibajja kubobobwi batakujayo runo bajja kubamajayo.
Bione bitukora mbisigikira guidelines za Ministry of Health nkongambira. So ministry katuha gatherings is prohibited nezili permitted. As we speak now gatherings ogamba ngo abantu bagenda mu maramizo churches rundi mosques zikiyagenda mu maiso ohiro ngo bayine ebintu basomera gukora ekinakwesere standard operating procedures. so nabweki turon tubaterera kandi turon tubekambisa kurango bateka mu nkora ebintu bikwetagisa nuko basobore kugenda mu maiso mbasabisa abantu mu churches no churches hamwe na mosques kandi we are going to have a meeting ito nka task force tugiye meeting na bembeza aba madini amasimu tukamara kubatera bitu tugiye meeting enya kuri fomu nuko tubasobore nibihe tukwetagisa bateke mu nkora abamu batandike kubikora. We are seeing reports, we are getting reports. Churches of Skiro Wings as in hand washing facilities. Ngomuta takatahire mu church rundi mosque abanze akoreke anabengara rundi akuzisanitize. Then ekindi amaramizo gano gaine kugira omuntu orapimaga abantu batakatahire mu church. So we expect the places of worship kugira temperature guns. Nuko basobore kupima abantu batakatahire mu maramizo.
Wait afande in that meeting mwine yo guidelines zindi ezimutairo horundi emyanyende imugamba ngo hati bino tujya kwanza kwemereza because tukarora document neruga mu media center nabagamba business as usual amasomo gajagumezamo busayisomo lirokingirwe rundi tutule under lockdown nkihanga mwine myanya kende imukugamba enweno ni yesobora kwangu hakuspreadinga ekirwere kino.
First of all tutuine guidance zetu nka Fort Portal. Guidance tukora nizo guidance za Ministry of Health. Oiro depending on the situation in a particular district in the city, task force zikara kurora kubarateka mu nkora guidance zino. Ekyo kurora hanu ito nka Fort Portal city tukachwa mungu weekly markets ezinya kuri Fort Portal city zibanze zikoreke zemeri and kintu tukakora bokuba obutare buno busikiriza abantu ku rugamba icweke bitari bimu na bimu. Ideally we get visitors from Bundibujo, Kasese, and Toroko, and these are border districts. So when you have open weekly markets abantu bano kibasikiriza kuija kutana obutare buno kandi obutare buno tubuli structured ngo sakuteka hano hand washing facility rundi osakuteka hali omuntu olapimaga abantu temperature so kikatugumira kurora ngo ebe bintu bura bitatsa kukorwa kyatwangwira kwemereza obutare obu then turengo kugenda mu maiso no kuyamba abantu betu batakwatwa ikirwire kebora. Now the daily markets buno obutare bwa buli kilo ubo mukyagiye mu maiso nkakatare Kampanga then obutaro bunde obunyakuri structured ubo mujagenda mu maiso abukuba how you can able implement and put in place the standard operating procedures. So that is the difference. Buno the weekly markets it is very hard kigumira kuteka mu nkora standard operating procedures but buno obutaro bwa buli kilo bwombekero kitwangwira muno kurora ngo abantu basobora kunabengaro basobora kupimwa kirangi soboka then no mwijuranga ine tugusana gudi ogwo butare obwa wiki. So egini yembaganiza kandi ekiniki kyatuhambirize nkabebembezi aborubuga kurango twayemereza the weekly markets then the daily markets genda maiso serving abantu abayiburikiro. It is true we are not under lockdown kandi nayo kimanyire kimwe nga masomero garonga kora abantu baromba saba then obutare burombo genda maiso. Ono that ito enda abantu bahondere biragiro kusigikira Ministry of Health guidelines.
Wait afande buli otanikege no tugamba mbintu ebimwe bimugerezeye kukora no hali ekintu ekyo kurora ngo mwasensitizing arundi kusomesa abantu hakirwire kino ekya Ebola kurugira haliyo because given overweight tugulgo kubanza bola hakabaye covid abantu no baterero takora kinu but still no sanga mpaka cyo gambere barungi bange tukole kino wacho akindwira akikozere rundi akoze mulingo gundundi takihondire kyenyini mukusomesa kwanyu ku bintu kebe mbayine mu community.
One you see it kitwarovira abantu kwetegereza ikintu no kukiteka mu nkora but so far so good abantu barengereho kuteka mu nkora ibintu bitizire tubagambira tubaitwine kizibu ekya cultural practices nko kuramucha hano twine omuze twine engeso yo kuramutsa abantu tukwata mu ngaro then rundi tutera akafuba so eki kyari kizibu abukuba it is a cultural practice nyakuri hano mu Fort Portal City rundi mu Toro region so tuterera abantu barengewo in the meantime ebintu tulenga kubyetantara nko kuramutsa kuramutsa omuntu no by waving paka abantu bakagenda maiso naenda kuleta omukono akuramutse naenda kutera akafuba so that is the challenge we still having ngo abantu tibakagizire they have not yet adjusted mu buntu buno butaito but we are still going on we have a team twine team ya health then office yetu ya RCC tukagenda mu maiso no kusomesa abantu ama radio na ma TV biona turonto bikora kurango abantu basobora kumanya nibihe basemere gukora ni batasemere gukora so we are optimistic ngo abantu mbeje kutekaho empingisa mu mikore y'ebintu
wito afando tugamba abantu mbeje kuteka empingisa mu mikore y'ebintu sometimes turura obaleta y'ebintu byogamba haluhu uburwaire nka ekirwaire kinu kizire covid izire habayo these cultural things byogamba mwitwa uruganda runo rundito bano endwere nkazentu tukwata rundi tuzinire mbazi mwaka tungira obwire bwo kwingezinga abo abakuru rundi abantu atweta abafumu rundi abakoleme bazi ya loko kurorangu basomesa abantu babo tubakoseke kintu
one twine kitekerezo ekyogira meeting na abantu abanyakuri mu kitiki kusana kitu first of all opinion leaders as members of the district task force opinion leaders hano tukumaisa the religious leaders the cultural leaders and any other person who can be deemed as influential in the society so abantu bano baraija mbaye kugambire ngo tujogiraga meeting as a weekly next Tuesday to the meeting and the task force ntujya kurariza abantu bona abantu banyakuri influential and opinion leaders nuko tusobore kurubatira hamwe but her information nyakuri contrary her guidance as a minister of health so we are hopeful ngo abantu bejo kietegiriza so far oburwaire butwine obwa Ebola niyo bageta bundi bujo strain ababyokorine batugambire ngo yotine na vaccine so how tukubaliza bayine vaccine ya buri obundi obwa Congo strain so it is still a complicated situation kandi abantu bine kuteka obudi kurango twakosa muno emihanda yo kwetantara yes
wetu afanda bazahe kintu cyogamba mwine mu tuine mwege ya bundu bujo baitu at the moment tutuine mabazi nturora movement still in and out kurugam city ntoroko to yeah they might have closed kugamba DRC busa kumuvinga mu Uganda bikebye abantu kuruga kuno bakajya kuli na bali bakayiza kuno baituntura movements yezo even though na districts run to neighboring ihangeryo na mbere cases ziri nyingi bintu kebe mutairo kurora ngurundi ninga kali uyo kubotu ibara kugamba hati wewe movement intorora yene nkokwe kutalwanza ikirwire
abantu bide kumanya ngo mu Fort Portal City rundi mu region ye we don't have any positive confirmed case ya Ebola abantu bide ukimanya so kandi abantu bakimanyire ngo rundi kimanyirwe ngo the epicenter eyo burere buno bwa Ebola eri mu Democratic Republic of Congo so hano government yateriro enchwamu yo kukirozinga rundi to close the borderline so twinobunize ngo so far in the region tutiri kubimuno oyirongo ntwekambisa abantu mu kwetantara we are not as bad off as probably your question would suggest so abantu meje kugenda maiso mbarubata motukanzi rubata kugabundi bujogiye kaseza kuga Fort Portal genda nka as long as they put into consideration the SOPs as manyirwe mu kwetantara kirwere cyobora uburere buno kiro bwingi buri mu Democratic Republic of Congo kandi kugambira tukagizire case maybe depending on the updates kuruga Minister of Health nkijja kuba nkituha kike cyo gukora bione bitutwamu ka task force birugira guidelines rundi directives as a Ministry of Health
Waitu afande mu meetings yeze mugeragadde munadde mugambi buli mtunga weekly meetings buli kya kabiri bintu kebinde mugambire this time leka nabyo tube discussingeho tu checking bisobora kutalwa nzambo karoro burwere buno bwayongera rundi bintu kebe bindi auhiro hutale amasomero na maramizo bintu kebindi bisogamba mugire ho mwagamba leka tu checking bino ramsoko tuletoro kuwe
ekite kinde kitukozere rundi kitutaire isira nikyo kurora ngo twakora surveillance to establish the cause of death. Any non-accidental death in Fort Portal is being recorded. Tune team yetu ya health ne korana na office ya diso kumanya buli muntu unyakufire mu Fort Portal city. Out of non-accidental umuntu wakwafira accident, it is okay, it is known. Ngo pikipiki mutomire oli rundi motoke mutomire rundi agwire. Bitkin hanu ekinkumanisa kiringo omuntu wakwafire omuli Fort Portal team zetu ya health bayine kumanya omuntu ono ayisirweki atakafire kike kyabayireho. So we are doing all that kwetegereza no kuyamba abantu beitu abako basakuziko omuntu kandi kuno ayisire Ebola. But so far so good. Omulimo ngukorwa the death zone is to recording it. There is no relationship na kirweri Ebola. So that is also another thing that we are doing as a task force. Then ekindi tuchwire mu kutekaho transit isolation sites rundi camps on every health center. Now zintu zikumanyisa ngo tuine kirweri Ebola already mu Fort Portal. Nkimanyisa ngo tuetekanize in case of any eventuality. Oketegerize ngo omuntu araija mu irwara bakamu suspectinga bakamutebereza kugira symptoms ze Ebola bayine kumuyambana abarira ababukiro abandi bamuteka rubajo. That is the transit isolation camps is twin. Then twine no mugisa ngo we have a referral hospital nayo in isolation ward ngo in case tugira case inyakuli confirmed abantu bajya kusobora kubateka mu isolation centers zimbalizeho ukira muno ya referral. Zile zindi za health centers those are transit ngo muntu bwarayizire a facility yayoreka nka symptoms bamuhimbano abantu abakiro wingi abana abandi abaruyire bamuteka rubajo kwetantara kukoreki ku transmitting in case but so far tukagizira case yone ugamba ngo umuntu on tumutere munaka mu isolation a health center nango ekiti kabayireho ekiti kikozere mukwetegeka response in case twine case ya Ebola runde kuteberezebwa kuba ya Ebola.
Waitu nko kumtaireho eza isolation points around areas zogama ruwaro gatabeyo nambero umuntu just in case kwa kibaha akarugayo aine signs and symptoms bamtekeyo mturora mwine ba health workers abakozi marwaro agaba mubanze kuteka rubazo mukatraininga kurora gukubasobora kolege emeremo.
One kimanyirwe ngo the health workers are the front line mukurwanyisa endwere nkazino kukira muno nk'Ebola. Ikintu kitabanje gukora kuraba mu department ya health nuko kusomesa rundi kutraininga aba health workers abaita abatwine abukuba tukatina kugira ikizibu mu health workers because they are most at risk. Buri mu rukuhura mutwe rukuhura manye umuswija rukuhura kinayirukira mu yirwaro. So they are at most risk. Ekindi kyo twabanze nakyo the city health officer bakatwara ubujunanziba korango ba traininga kandi bamanyisa the health workers nibihe basemera gukora kandi basemera kubikora bata. So that one is okay and I can confirm that our health workers are ready to handle any situation as it arises.
Waitu nturora most times abantu abakira kutangira ezo cases nabo bakuba affected then turorine ebiro abere na kim kurabagamba hati on twagambi kirwira akine halinyo nenyo turana mugamba tukose sanitizers habantu abaliyo kuma offices nkokunyo mkwikarira mu offices talizemo neinyo katwanze tubatere mu tochi mugereze kurangu nenyo ibintu biko taxi wakozebo mwabiteka mu myanya rundi abantu nenyo abakuru abakukarira mu offices nabo mwabegesa kukole ibintu nkebi
busaba mbaganiza ya offices zetu because these are public offices. So beyond bitugambire abantu nkabanya kuri mu butari gukora neto nibitukozere mu offices zino zetu za bulikiro kandi ni interera abantu inywena abataka kikozere turenge kugira ngo twateka SOPs omunkora tugure hand washing facilities abantu bagire sanitizer barambasobora kandi basano kugira temperature guns nuko muntu aratakatahire mu office rundi mu kichweka kione ekijamo abantu abengi tumanye temperature zilizita nuko turengo kurango twetantara ekirere kebora so bintu byona turabikora kijja kutuyamba kuikara a status enja turo sazina kwa kubengambire ngo Fort Portal so far twine confirmed case enja kuri positive Ebola so byone bitukora twine obunihizi ngo turabikora kurungi tujja kuikara tine case yona Ebola mu Fort Portal ukasita kandi wentusaba na districts zinde zinja kuri ingana na Fort Portal abakoite tsokoro goitu abandi bakabyama so ni material inywena abanyakuri mu Uganda abanyakuri mu region yetu ya Toro Rwenzori region itwera uteka amani ebikora mu Fort Portal ebikora mu district zindi tukore ibintu ebikusana nuko tusobore kurwanisa ekirere kebora tukakimara mu ihanga letu ya Uganda.
At the moment afande noja kutekerezaho twirukeho kateito tujeho mu burango bwitu abakama baitu nabo kwa kuteka makasenta na tayari west kandi tujja kubantu ubuturagena mukara mu burango obo ubuturantugaruka hano tujja kubantu gomezamo mpaka saha 3 kusobora abantu kwerinda Ebola kulukuta mu rubuga orwa Fort Portal mwebale muno otakwata harumoti yawe leka twanze tukoleyo sente.
It's happy time, Chobelo. Bathing time, Chobelo. Bulira bulunji, I feel so nice. Sing cho 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 cho, Chobelo. Again cho 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 cho, Chobelo.
Ono ye chogero waffe kafulumu kujjanja bendwadde ezensusu zonna mu bato n'abakulu gamba ng'embalabe obuwere ebiguuna kyogero habo soap ne kyogero habo jelly biri mu size ez'enjawulo ennene n'entono bisangibwa mu maduuka gonna mu ggwanga kyogero ly'essuubi ly'ensusu zaffe.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800-100-066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mbwena bombe china ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombe chesi changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
abakazi n'abishiki toilets n'ebisheshero ebikwejunisibwa abantu bingi nitubyejunisa konko bukoko buri kurwaza obubirumu nibutamagaraga omukabi Honeypot Herbal Gentle Wash nico kintu cyo kwereberera omubicweka byitu by'ekihama ekikirizibwa bashoho bamagara nekorwa White Mark Cosmetics okurwanisa no kukingira infections kurwo mu myanya erikwejunisibwa bingi Honeypot nikache okuza musho yawe yo mu ngaro kinamana go kurinda kageze sibwe kandi katongozwa National Authority gumana ko burijo aha murumo omukatare nahanjene yetungire Honeypot omuri pharmacy neduka y'emibazi hono mu Uganda omuri Mbara Kashanje omumataji gona aga Ankole pharmacy ebirukiraho tera not mushanju mukaga mushanju chenda nemwe chenda na mukaga not mukaga ninga not mushanju not mwenda ashatu nemwe abinishatu abina mukaga Honeypot Herbal Gentle Wash echo kwerinisa burijo burahamwa horukuza
twakwakira hari King Caesar University itendekero ry'ururengo rwa hiyo kandi obwa hatergine chata okutendeka beji bona aha rurengo rwa Africa rekureteremisho mu nyamwingi erya rurengo rwa degree ahari ka medicine and surgery law business administration applied economics computer forensics petroleum geoscience nendijo minji twine nendijo mishomo ya diploma in clinical medicine community health global business nezindi kosi nyamwingi hari King Caesar University hati no basakoresa intex ibiri zonka yo kwakana ne kwa munana nyensia yawe hinduke na munonga wamara kusharaho changari plot 22 King Caesar Road Gaba Kampala ningo teresimwe ya note 200 rwendi 11 250 ningo twicirira kibanja cite cha website www.kcu.ac.ug King Caesar University, igniting the future.
webaleyo mu break rundi mborango bwabakama baitu kandi nko kumukimanya wewe abakama baitu bakuteka msente neto tune kukiriza emerimo yabo webaleyo mborango butaito obo wagena maiso kumara dakika baitu nko kugambire itwe tuloho kugumezamo mpaka saha 3 tuchaine ho mugisa kirukidu tutungiro umuntu mukuru mu government oba fando je kwa maigamba nogu anyway leka tugumze muntu wenda nko kutwa cyane mukubazaho bintu ki moteiro ho nabike bukozerwe kurorangu uburwero bwa Ebola mwabusara kurundi mwamekinga shuwa muno mu rubugo rwa Footpoto turwabamo inyo ka task force nimugera uga meetings mu bantu ababa mu meetingire nturora mwine mu areas ezimugiremo mwina amasomero kurorangu bahondere beragire bitayirweho baitu afando bukungamba ikintu cha masomero no kusensitizinga community hati yaliyo ekizibu echa mindset change nturoraga sensitizations ya abantu nzikorwa day by day baitu ekizibu cha mindset change kichayangira mbantu inyo nkayinyo task force runa abandi abantu abamukora nabo ndumujya kora kurangwa abantu mwabahindura iki entekereza yabo
webali muno first of all ekintu kya mindset change ko kakibadize it is an issue, it is a problem, but not necessarily to the schools ko gondeza ukireta to the contrary amasomero gateyire mu nkora byone bitabagambi bakoreke bakore akwabu tukantu bagamba bagire facilities kukomba bagambire hand washing facilities then bagire temperature guns then betantari kuikaza abantu in big numbers but this one, a school being a structured institution, most of the things byekozere ngo oine class 1 senior 2 abana bali kuli abandi bali kuli then advantage eri twine mu masomero agawukiro bwingi ga boarding ngo abana bakamara kutahanka mu isomero, so it is much easier to control rundi kumanyisa abana abantu rundi institutions kukora ibintu basomero gukora than the outside world. Ensonga ya mindset ekizire muno ku affecting community members bana abaheru kandi ndengere okumanyisa ngo nabo twine ubuntu obuteitu nkokora mucha kwatangana mu ngaro then no kutafaya kugenda michweke binyakurumwe mu jirangaine, but we are hopeful kugambira with continuous sensitization zine tukora ama radio tujagire impingisa ya amani muno kurangwa abantu bahindura mu in the meantime in the way we do our things culturally as people of Fort Portal and as people of this region. Yes, twinobunize ngo abantu ambaija kuhindura, and that's why we have periodic meetings. Every meeting we assess is there difference aro impingisa aro hoki. So far so good. Abokuba how we started, it is not how we are. Budi tukatandika abantu batakurespondinga muno mu SOPs betazuna tukubaliza abantu abukiro bwingi mbateka mu nkora ebintu ebasemiri gukora kusigikira guidance za Ministry of Health.
Afande ntora mu bantu mu akamitinga rundi na abandi amwe plan twin a bigger community yaba abantu abakuvuga taxes, abantu abakuvuga borders, abantu abomba ni plan yo kwa mitinga rundi mwaka mitingiro ho ba leaders babo kurora ngo nabo mwaba sensitizinga we nkuko mukuvuga tal muntu omutali babiri pade wol nasanga inedzanere hire kurugana kujya bundu buje kurugana kujya kasese kurugana kujya mbarara nimvuga mtown hand picnic ya cyenzo bike mwakatungiro bwire bwo kubazaho na ba leaders babo rundi nabo mbayina muntegeka.
Ekito kya abantu bine kumanya ngo itwela twine bujunanzibo gukora ibintu bine. Whether you are going to use a taxi, whether you are using a border, whether you are going to walk, ine ukimanya ngo twine kuikara tunabengaro. Every opportunity you get yo kuna bengaro na sabuni unduko sanitize itwela twine koraki twine ugikozesa eki kirikimu. Then kya kabiri tukayikira abantu abanyakuri mu transport sector ora wagire a link sazin rundi the other bus station ezindi they are doing what we told them. Hand washing facility bazitaireho, then baine na temperature guns mbalenga kupima no kwekabisa abantu kuna bengaro, and that is what we are told to do so far at the moment. Tujagire impingisa kusigikira abiragire kukubira bizire kuruga ministry, but in the meantime in the interim sazure ebintu bitukozireho. Twine na nekitekerezo still ekogamba ngo abantu bano tujye kubeta hamu abebembezi abanyakuri mu transport sector nabo tubasomese tubamanyise nibihe basemera gukora, tukatandika no kubamanyisa nka company different companies at a time kandi batandike ukikora, but we want it to be uniform kukira muntu bana abo stages of potato kukira muntu taxis zino zigenda ka Mwenge zigenda Kampala zigiya Kenjojo out keinemo ikizibu abokuba they are not as structured kaziri bus stations in court. So nabo tugiye nabo in the next task force meeting ntujya kweta representatives okuruga mu taxi operators na bus operators abo mu rubuga rwa Fort Portal.
Wetu afando untujya kulekera mbwire bumeza aho ntwenda kuterera kwawo nukuha rundi message yawe yo kumalira abantu abawa abo kwebimbera mu Fort Portal kurora ngo ikirwire kino cya Ebola tikyahika mu rubuga rundi in case no byakubamo kurangwa abantu bakhandolinga kurungi tikyazanzara nko kutukurana of recent Kampala cases keyongera kurana ito hanu ubikuba kibeiro nikikafuhe kurangu cases zakora kit zayongera rundu contacts rundu kuzanzara.
So bione bitukora twine kitekerezo twine obunihizi ngo status neja kwikara nkokweri mu Fort Portal kandi omujungu agamba ngo prevention is better than cure. So we are intensifying the sensitization ngo abantu beita aba mu rubuga rwa Fort Portal bamanyire cyo gukora. So barabamanyire cyo gukora nkijya kutuyamba ngo ikirere kintu twakiyetangira twakiyetantara. Then ikindi abantu bayine kumanya ngo bino byone bitukora byakayire bwire turabikora kurungi tujya kukiruga mu bwangu turatakozere ebikwetagisa Ministry of Health tujya tusakugira ikizibu. So itwe ka task force we are ready, we shall continue meeting and guiding tujagenda maiso no guiding abantu okubasomesa no kubamanyisa nibihe bigenda mu maiso so kandi abantu baitu nimbasima ngu batandikire kugira gukora bino ebintu bituzire ntubasaba Fort Portal tine biragiro byayo nka Fort Portal nkongambi itwena tugendera a guidance ezinya kuri national na directives za Ministry of Health na national task force ya Ebola so tujja kuteka munkora tujja kugenda maiso na sensitization tujja kugenda maiso na enforcement kurangwa abantu babiteka munkora kandi tujja kugenda maiso no gukora surveillance omuntu ara reportingire bazeta alerts kandi abantu bakatandika kutoa alerts alerts kimanyisa ngo omuntu ayine Ebola alert nkimanyisa ngo abantu bayine ikintu kibakozeriki bekengire mubicho ekabyabo and the more we get these alerts the more confident we get ukumanya ngo abantu bamanyire kiki okukora so we are getting alerts and the health department ya city is managing all those alerts and so far ngukumbagambire twine case yona all the alerts are manageable kandi it turns up to be a different thing ikitakwatagana na Ebola so abantu bita ba Fort Portal nimbasima mwebali muno mwebali kuteka munkora ibintu byone bitizire tubagambira gukora kukira muno abebezi baitu aba madini ninyonga kubasima ba bishops aba Anglican na Catholic aba kwikiriza korana hamunaita aba task force korangu tasobora kulinda abantu baitu batakwatwa ekirwere ke Ebola
webale muno kandi nko kutubagambire gekiro kino tutungira omugisa go kubazaho na deputy RCC abwa Central Division mu rubuga orwa Fort Portal Mr. Emmanuel Businge nambere ya kusobora mu rubuga orwa Fort Portal busayo kesi nemwe Ebola no butoraba bagamba it is a high risk area yokuswa kutunga uburwire nko area runde city yokubodaringa haihi ni hangeli ya DRC na bagambera sofa hubonkabo tubakatungire official case kugamba Ebola iri mu rubugo rwa Fort Portal run bait measures zibatayireho zo kumakinga sure abantu ababo rundi abantu akwikara mu kitweka kino rundi mutoro sub region kurora ngo uburwire buno tubaswa kubahika kandi no kubabwizire basera nkoko basobora kuba nabacontaininga role kirochezo amaramizo amengi mu rubugo rwa Fort Portal gasibirege gakingire nyenchakara abantu abambagireyo gabaitu police n'abakuru aba machaches yabo babasobora nkoko kirokino kusaba rundu kusoma tukuloho mugaruke mukantu mukwiza kwa musavera ba bishop rundi abebembeze bedini nabiza kuba bali hamikutu itali emu nemu nhuba koraki bagumizamu nemirimo yabo kandi ekyo nikibani yamba kurora ngo abantu oburwiro rw'Ebola buno kuzanzara mbantu tibaba hihingana tibaye kwataho tiba ulti ya kwata hantu yo yamtahiwo kuba nakoraki na ihayo oburwiro obo ninyowe Justin Nyakaisiki kuruga mu rubuga orwa Fort Portal habwata ya West mwebale muno utakwata harumoti yawe